No place on earth is as generous, benign, selfless and gratifying as university. It reveals inner beauty of life. It makes us responsible. It makes us precious. It makes us useful. It makes us perfect. In fact, it makes us human. University of Peshawar is one such institute, showered with lavish bounties by the Almighty. The University of Peshawar is a future-oriented and unique institution, as it is committed to achieving excellence in the undergraduate and graduate education, research and public service. The university provides superior and comprehensive educational opportunities at the baccalaureate through doctoral and special professional educational levels. The university contributes to the advancement of society through research, creative activities, scholarly inquiry and development of knowledge. It preserves and promotes arts, benefits the nation economy, serves the citizens through public programs, and is dedicated to the production of quality human resource for the knowledge-driven development of the country. Comparatively a young branch, the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication started its journey with the commencement of diploma courses in the subject back in 1985. Classes in 2 years master's program were started in a single room borrowed from Geology Department in 1988. With the first batch of 25 students, all male, graduating in 1990. In 1989, with the enrollment in next batch, the department was shifted to 3 borrowed rooms at English department. In 1993, the department moved to the building which currently hosts the Works department of the university. In year 2002, JMC moved to the current premises. Since its inception, the department has the credit of graduating more than 1,500 students, majority of whom are contributing actively to the nation in the most befitting manner. Many from the first batch were invited to work with the Provincial Press Information Department, as well as were received in local media, albeit with some suspicion. Soon that feeling was giving way to more prudent understanding of the graduates, thanks to the utility, competence and zeal of the qualifying students. Currently, the Department of JMC has a marked presence in all media-related roles, whether it is field journalism at media outlets or journalism education at various universities, policy making at government departments, or contributing to social sector organizations. The students of JMC are found working there with utmost professionalism. Since long, the research projects carried out at the department have not only aided to the body of knowledge in general, but also and perhaps more explicitly to the understanding of mass media environment in the province in particular. The university libraries are testimony of the facts as they are studied with these groundbreaking studies. At a juvenile age back in 2002, the department took a big stride by launching an educational-cum-entertainment radio station on the campus, the first ever of its kind in South Asia. The main objective of the campus radio is to be the communication source for its community. It both serves and entertains. Serves by employing students' talents to create a general sense of awareness regarding the welfare of its listeners. Entertained by giving its listeners a great sounding radio station. With the overwhelming success of the radio, the department made another leap as it commenced its TV production facility in 2007. Within short span of time, it went on to make award-winning documentaries and news reports for international organizations like ILO, GIZ, etc. Efforts are underway to make the studio go on air in near future, inshallah. Like elsewhere, the media landscape has changed tremendously over the years in Pakistan. The journalists in Pakistan in general and our province, including the tribal belt in particular, are seemingly quite ill-prepared and ill-equipped to meet the ever-growing demands of the modern communication. In a society where free speech is a rare commodity, owing to many social and political pressures, use of modern communication techniques can be a useful and effective tool to encourage people to voice their concern and share their views on any issue of public interest. Owing to this need, the Department of JMC embarked upon yet another ambition. It launched training programs for working journalists, especially those from tribal areas, under various training programs. It is to be mentioned that JMC is the only such facility in the entire province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa which imparts learning in non-formal education. May the Almighty bless our university, our department, our alma mater. Ameen. O my alma mater, your arms were always open when I needed a hug. Your heart understood when I needed a friend. Your gentle eyes were stunned when I needed a lesson. Your strength and love has guided me and gave me the wings to fly. Dear alumnus and alumna, your alma mater has one small request, and that is, be remarkable, let a flame of passion illuminate your way. Be extraordinary. Stray from the dullness of shadows into a radiant glow. Feel, dream, and live. And never concede, never settle for anything less, as you move full speed ahead in the quest for a life full of light and color.